Hey guys, Leela's Tools here, back with another Toolbox tour. This is drawer number 1, my extension drawer. Let's get into it. So here I have 3/8 or half-inch and 3/8 locking extensions. These are branded with the X for Maximum Mastercraft Canadian Tire here in Canada. But if you guys know, these are just exactly gear wrench, just with a different name on them. So got them on a good deal. We'll go over these 1/4 inch real quick. I've got a 3-piece set at 12, 18, and 15 inch Tecton extensions. Got them at Princess Auto. It's my only Tecton tool, I do believe, but I actually haven't even used them yet, but they're there. I love the shorter extensions like this. This is just Westward. I do like the knurl on them. There's that guy. An Ultra Pro extension, Craftsman, Craftsman VV series, another Craftsman. What's this one? Oh, sorry guys. Another Craftsman. Well, that's a V series, and another Craftsman. Also a V series, old school V series, by the way. I guess we'll do some of this half-inch stuff. This is Ultra Pro. That's Napa brand here in Canada, similar to your Carlisle. Here's another long extension, 1/4. It's a Craftsman V. Most of the Craftsman V is my grandpa's. Otherwise, it's from pawn shops, but most of it's my grandpa's. Craftsman G series, short half-inch extension. Craftsman V series, short extension. Short impact Canadian Tire. Westward with knurling. Craftsman. It's at a V series. Nice extension. Craftsman. Another V series. There's that guy. Geez, there's a lot of Craftsman in this top drawer. This is definitely an older Craftsman. You can tell by the top there. It's another V series. And another Craftsman V series. Maximum Mastercraft Impact. Here we have a Proto Challenger Canada. It's definitely been used on the Impact. I'm not sure if it's Impact rated. It is heavy though. Oh, these are cold on the fingies. What do we got here? This is a Proto with a pin Impact. Here we have the big snap-on. There's that guy. Another Craftsman V. This set here, these are 1/4 inch hex to 1/4 square, 3/8 square, and half square. These are Titan. These are nice. They come in a little tray. They're cheap and they work. What do we got here? This is a gray, made in Canada, half-inch. This is one of my favorites. This is a Craftsman EE. It's a little stubby 3/8 extension. We have here is this Stanley Challenger. Another Westward. I picked these up at pawn shops for like 50 cents, $1. They got the knurling on them, and they hold up fine. This is another Stanley Challenger. Here we have a Husky. Is it a USA? I believe it's a USA. I believe it's a USA with that style. It doesn't say it though. Here we have an old gray. That guy. Craftsman V series, old school. There's that guy. I'm not sure if it's China or what, but here's a Craftsman with a wobble. And second to last, we have a Mac. And in the far back here, we have another Craftsman. Lots of Craftsman extensions. I would say at least half of these are my grandpa's, and the rest, at least 3/4 of the Craftsman were my grandpa's, and the rest I've just picked up over the last few years. So yeah, there's the socket drawer, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.